Hi there, I'm Len from Claire Skate Blades. We've had a lot of questions with regarding sharpening of the blades, whether it's different from the standard sharpening and that type of thing, and I'm just going to show you that it's the same thing as the normal sharpening. So first I'm going to cross grind it 1 or 2 times, and then I'm going to sharpen it, and then I'm going to hone it for it. This is the cross grind. And as you can see, right, it's cross ground. Yeah, makes it flat so we can put the hollow in. After sharpening, most people will use a device, a quick square, to measure the flatness of the blade. This is basically our flare square. It's adjusted for the flare. As you can see, it's basically honed out a little bit on the end so it actually fits the flare skate blade. Any business who get the blades with us will actually receive one of these as well. Final pass, we actually are using like slick. Just put it on the blade. And the gauge should be very flat across the top. The honing of it is just slightly different. So you're taking your honing stone, and what you're doing is you're honing it on the angle of the flare, the 6-degree angle. Okay, so instead of against the holder, you're doing it right on along the blade as well, just at the 6-degree angle. Okay, other side. And you get a fantastic edge. And there it is. So when you're sharpening, it's exactly the same as the standard. All that's different is the hollow that you use when you're honing the stone and honing the blade at the angle. And that's it.